Hey everyone, I'm Justin Fisher in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. We are with Chef Val from the OUT School of Community Medicine, and we are talking about something that you can do with avocados, which surprises me because I'm used to guacamole, and we're making it with chocolate.
Yeah, so, I mean, yes, with guacamole, you're playing up some of those more savory flavors, a little heat and spice.
The opposite.
But these are really, they're kind of bland and they kind of take on whatever flavor you tell them to. So we're going to tell this to take on some chocolatey flavor. And so we're going to go ahead and add some cocoa powder. So we just have some regular cocoa powder, not sweetened, so not cocoa mix,
Keep
but
the
cocoa
calories
powder.
down, the sugar down, okay.
Yes, and so this is an avocado, no, excuse me, that is a coconut sugar. So it's a less refined sugar. And then we have a little bit of almond milk. So you could use whatever milk you want. And this is 4 whole avocados. This actually makes quite a bit, but we're gonna go ahead and scoop those out of there.
That's one of the best images, scooping avocado.
Yes, very satisfying.
Get the pit out, yeah.
Twist the pit out.
And this is just, you can use any blender for this.
Yeah, I mean the key,
special one?
Well, you want to make sure that you have one that can really blend it smoothly and whip some air into it too. But the key here is to have nice ripe avocados. So, you know, get your avocados 2 or 3 days before you think you're actually going to need them if they're green.
Yeah, keep an eye on them.
All right, so we are going to go ahead and put the lid on this and give it a little buzz.
Watch your ears.
And we'll have to scrape this down a few times to get it really, really nice and smooth. And so once you do get it very nice and smooth, we're gonna put it all in a little cup.
This is kind of like a dessert. I mean, it's chocolate, but
Definitely a dessert. Yeah, great snack, but it is full of fiber and lots of vitamins and minerals. Okay.
And we have it. It's
right,
kind of funny
so-
seeing all the green kind of churn in there, turning into what we have here. Yeah.
So beautiful. So we have a cute little serving glass that we're going to use, and we'll just dollop some of this delicious chocolate avocado pudding in here.
It is amazing seeing what that turned into.
Yes.
Avocados.
Who knew, right?
Yeah, you can use it for anything.
There's also a recipe for some delicious avocado ice cream that doesn't have chocolate in it. It's delicious also. So you could add some berries, which obviously these are full of fiber and full of nutrition. Whoops. And mobile.
It's clean.
It's mobile. Whoops. Okay, so this is ready to go.
I get to try this, right?
Yes, please.
Yes. Oh, yes, please. All right. And this is avocado. And you would never be able to tell. If you didn't show me and make this in front of me, you could not tell this is an avocado in here. It looks like a beautiful dessert. I'm just gonna sit here and keep eating this.
Great, do it.
All right, if you like this recipe, want to find all the other ones by Chef Val, you can go to kjrh.com. Thanks for joining us.